So with H2O at home, our #1 selling product is our cleaning clay. This is going to do your sink, stove, oven, shower. You can do silver jewelry. You can do stainless steel appliances. I'm just going to give you a tip on the stainless in a few minutes. But I'm going to show you how this works. So you open up the lid. It comes with a white sponge. You're going to get the sponge wet, wring it out, make a little paste. This is 100% natural. It has a slight hint of lemon essential oils, which are pure essential oils. You're going to foam it up and you're going to scrub. So it would be just like using Comet or soft scrub or shower cleaner. It's great for showers, tile, soap scum, all of those kinds of things. Love it on my stainless steel sink. It also worked great in my last house with my white porcelain sink. So it doesn't matter what the surface is. I'll show you how this cleans. And even if you have a cleaning lady, you're probably still cleaning your sink all the time because usually they only come once every 2 weeks and the sink gets filthy. So I'll show you how this works. All right, so I've scrubbed it down. Now you can see the dirt and rinse out the dirt. I'm gonna rinse it real quick. Flip the light on so you can see it a little better. And it puts a little layer of like a glycerin or a coconut oil kind of barrier. And what happens is the water will just bead up. So it's going to keep the surface cleaner longer. It's really great for cleaning while you're in the shower because it's completely non-toxic. You don't need a gas mask. I actually have eczema and it doesn't even burn my hands. So you can see now when I'm done how the water just beads up. And this is our H2O at home cleaning clay.